Hey viewers, welcome to the Today is video number 10. So let's start our contact us page, and here we are comes to the point. Let's start with this. First of all, we make a form with a form text and then take an action with the name of welcome PHP, because all these types of backends I save it welcome one or in a welcome.php. So So first of all, we just put the labels or inputs as we know before. Label and then inputs. These are the labels and these are the inputs. Okay. Next one is select, because when we transfer our money, we need a country name where we transfer money in a bank. So here I just put the some names of countries: Pakistan, India, Bangalore, America, and Europe. You can choose anywhere. Next is BR, then I put the BR is here for one next line, and then next is again is label, then is account number, and then again is input. Then again I select as a tag as a city, because when we select any country, then it must be in city in Lahore. I put there some city's name. You can put whatever you want here. Lahore, Irabazi, Jodo, Jhelum, Bahawalpur, Bukhar, Amritsar, Islam, James Bad. Next is again is BR for the next one line, and again is label, message, and then there is a text area where we text the message and then submit. All these, let's make an implement for this. Okay, I just say here is India, and then account number is, and then city just select it Bukhar, and then message anywhere you want to put this message here. I just say is there, and then select as a button and submit. Here is, these are the outputs. This is our email, this is our account number, and then username is empty. And there is all these type of name inputs in the subject are saved in a welcome.php. Here is an increment. So let us see there. So here is email and post, dollar post and email, because dollar post is used to take a name which we use to store the name at the backend. Next is $CN, dollar phone, dollar count, dollar city. We just add dollar all of the labeled. The next is echo. Here is echo we use to show the output or display on the screen. And here is a function conditions. If empty, that means email is empty, then it shows email is empty. Here again we just show, we see there username is empty, because here username we didn't put any name on the input of username, so here it shows the username is empty. The next condition is, if CNSI dollar is empty, then it shows that CNSI is empty, or if not empty, then it just show the name we put. Here is again is, for all these labeled we use the same condition if else. That's the simple here. So let's move on next page. That's so easy to make. About. Here we are. We just put some information about the MSC Bank. There's a permissionable activities, company status, registered and principal office, and group companies. So how to make this type of information in a column or rows? An invisible table. Let me show you. Here we just take a tag of table and then tr and th. You know that th is used for headings and the tr is used for rows and columns. Like you can see that from this side, these are the headings, main headings, and we just put these headings in the tag of th. And again, td is used for the data. So in the next or company heading, company status as a heading, we put the some information about the company status or some headings. There is a same method of all, and at the end we close the tag of tables. And after that we do all these implementations. It just give us a display on a screen like it shows as a result like this. You can use ch for headings, td for data stored in a headings, and tr is a rows or columns. Okay, so at the end, how many rows you are gonna make, how many data you are gonna put in according to the headings, how many headings you are gonna put in the table is on you. It's according to you. So at the end, after the make of table, we just close the table tab. So here our fifth page is complete here. Okay. So in the next video, I will show you contact us page and the privacy policy, disclaimer, and a sitemap. These are the additional forms in a website. If any of page on a website as a front end is not working, then we can use the backend pages as a contact us like us. I will show you in the next video. Hope you will enjoy it. Let me in the next video.